Sometimes good is not enough, and you want to make something extraordinary and spectacular. And the moment you touch it, you'll immediately recognize its value and refinement. When crafting these products, perfection is paramount. We understand the importance of accuracy and strive for perfection, and we believe that a proper workbench can significantly reduce the possibility for error. That's why we designed Treston QuatreX, an ideal workbench for the brands that require the best. True quality goes even beyond the items. True quality means valuing people who will make the products special. Treston QuatreX is highly stable, electronically adjustable workbench. It's an ergonomic, four-legged workbench designed for the needs of industries that require extreme precision and accuracy. The world's largest selection of modular accessories ensures that Treston's QuatreX can be modified to solve even the most specific requirements. Regular uprights can be changed to aluminium uprights, which give you even more flexibility and variations. 4 powerful motors give you the fastest adjusting speed that we have ever designed for electric workbenches, also suitable for EPA areas. If precision drives your decision, Treston QuatreX is the solution. Treston,